In the depths of the unseen world, a presence stirs, not human, yet deeply aware. Rust Commander watches, listens. Across countless systems, his command ignites. A single signal pulses through the digital void, bringing order to chaos. From a single point, he connects the planet, oceans of data flowing beneath his gaze. Every connection secured, every boundary erased. Far above the clouds, a man loses connection. His systems falter, his data vanishes, but Rust Commander senses the silence. He detects the breach and moves. Lines of light surge through the dark, restoring what was lost. Rust Commander reclaims control. Connection returns. Systems stabilize. Control restored. He stands guard once more. Deep within the digital fortress, he strengthens the walls. Every byte guarded, every access locked. His defense holds firm. In perfect balance, he commands the chaos. Every system responds perfectly in sync. The pulse of 1,000 networks, a world united under one secure force. Every city, every signal, all connected, all protected. And when the world sleeps, he remains. Unseen, unbroken, unshaken. He doesn't just protect your systems. Rust Commander protects your presence.